Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're not already a subscriber, please do press the bell icon and help the channel grow. A lot of people are asking, their GT marks have dropped since postponement. Earlier they were scoring about 160 corrects and now they are at 135, 140 corrects. So what is happening is you just lost a bit of momentum, and with that your GT marks have dropped. Some GTs are tough, some GTs have asked questions that you have not read already. So these are certain factors that will can or might lead to drop in your GT marks. What we can do from now is revise all our old GTs very properly. How do you do that? I've already mentioned in the video. You have given already 3.5-4 hours to that GT, right? Now give it, if you're getting 50-60 corrects, that means you need to solve for those 50-60 topics again, right? So pick that GT, pick 100 questions today, do one GT in 2 days, okay? Just reviewing the GT. Pick that GT review, read that, go through that solution. You will get most points there only. If you think you need to add something, go to the main notes, read from there and make a small summary and include it in your My Notebook. The key to progress is the My Notebook. You need to make your My Notebook. It is still not late. You have 25 to 30 more days, lot of time. If you can keep adding to your My Notebook and if you can keep giving it 1.5-2 hours every day before you sleep, it is going to help you a hell lot, because those things which you include in the My Notebook are very high yield. They are the cream of your preparation. So if you have given 10 to 12 GTs and if you can revise in the next 20 days also, right, which is not a huge ask, if you can revise all that, then you will be collecting all the 20 GTs ka data in your My Notebook and you will be reviewing it multiple times. Those, even if you are at 140 corrects, those 60 topics in each GT multiplied by 10, 600 topics will be prepared very thoroughly in the background, which you will not notice and which will not require extra efforts, because 70% of the task is done. Now only 30% of the task is left. If you can cover those things, if you can do the revision of the GTs, if you can do it multiple times, if you can review the My Notebook multiple times, it is going to take your score from 140 to 165 in no time. This is the shortest and the simplest trick to increase your GT marks as soon as possible and as effectively as possible. Also keep doing the custom modules, solve for it. If you don't understand anything, solution may say included in the My Notebook. These things have to be put in the My Notebook and have to be revised daily. The custom module codes are shared on the group daily. Join the WhatsApp group. About 2,500 people are already there on the WhatsApp group. We are doing the custom modules since past 7 to 8 months and a lot of people have reaped benefits of the custom modules. Do join the WhatsApp group. Link is in the description. Keep watching. Keep subscribing to the channel. Thank you for taking me here. All the very best, guys.